Hey there, new cooks! Welcome to your new culinary adventure. Ready to dive into the wonderful world of cooking? Whether you're a complete novice or just looking to brush up on some basics, you're in the right place. Today I've got 5 super simple recipes just for you. These are perfect for beginners and will help you build confidence in the kitchen. Let's get started. Cooking can be fun and easy, and these recipes will show you how. First up, scrambled eggs. This classic breakfast dish is quick, easy, and delicious. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and whisk it all together. The key is to whisk until the mixture is well combined and slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, add a splash of butter, and pour in the eggs. Make sure the butter is melted and slightly bubbling before adding the eggs. Stir gently until they're just set. You want them to be soft and slightly creamy, not dry. Easy peasy, right? Scrambled eggs are a great way to start your day. Next, how about a grilled cheese sandwich? This is a comfort food favorite that's perfect for lunch or a quick snack. Grab 2 slices of bread and butter one side of each. The butter will help the bread get that perfect golden brown color. Place 1 slice, butter side down, in a pan over medium heat. Make sure the pan is hot enough to start toasting the bread immediately. Add a slice of cheese, then top with the other bread slice, butter side up. You can use any cheese you like, but cheddar is a classic choice. Cook until golden brown on both sides and the cheese is melty. Flip the sandwich carefully to avoid any spills. Comfort food at its finest. This dish is hearty and satisfying. Now let's move on to a simple pasta with marinara sauce. It's a staple in many households and incredibly easy to make. Boil some pasta according to the package instructions. Make sure to salt the water generously for the best flavor. In another pan, heat up a jar of marinara sauce. You can also add some extra herbs or garlic to enhance the flavor. Once the pasta is cooked and drained, mix it with the sauce. Stir well to ensure every piece of pasta is coated. Top with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and you're good to go. This dish is perfect for a quick dinner or a side dish. How about a fresh salad for something light? Salads are a great way to get your daily dose of veggies. Chop up some lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and any other veggies you like. The more colorful, the better. Toss them all in a bowl with your favorite dressing. You can make your own dressing or use a store-bought one. Quick, healthy, and so refreshing. Salads are versatile and can be customized to your taste. Finally, let's end with a sweet treat, microwave mug cake. This is perfect for when you need a quick dessert fix. In a microwave-safe mug, mix 4 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir until smooth. Microwave on high for about 90 seconds. Watch as it rises and becomes a fluffy cake. Let it cool a bit, and then dig in. You can top it with some ice cream or whipped cream for an extra treat. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy recipes to kickstart your cooking journey. 5 easy recipes to kickstart your cooking journey. These dishes are simple, delicious, and perfect for building your kitchen confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and delicious recipes. Happy cooking! We can't wait to see what you create.